Welcome to ACE Achievers. Today is a big news. Finally, the NEET MDS date has been released by the NBE, and as you see in the circular behind me, the date has been fixed for 18th March 2024. So 18th March 2024 is the date fixed by NBE as of now, and the circular is there on their website, official website. So no two doubts about it. This is a true news that 18th March 2024 block the dates. Okay, that is the date for the NEET exam. And the other important thing is the cutoff date for the purpose of eligibility is 31st March 2024. So all those who are finishing their internship by 31st March 2024, they will be eligible for this exam. So this is the biggest news for the day. In fact, I left the patients. Right now I'm wearing my mask. I left the patient and came here just to record this video for all you guys. So we'll come up with a new thing, how to study about and how to utilize this time. So as I told you, don't miss out on the time that you've already gained because of the postponement, and see everything comes to use if you are continuously studying. So take care, and I'll see you with another video. Bye bye.